In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Riot Points gift card in Valorant. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have one of these Riot Points prepaid cards or gift cards, you can easily redeem it. To do this, you have to be inside of Valorant, so you will do it inside of the launcher. It seems like you cannot redeem it through the Riot website. So to start, open Valorant on your PC, and you can click on the Riot Points icon that you see at the top right corner of the screen. This will immediately bring you into all of the payment methods available for you to purchase Valorant points. Then one of the last options here, as you can see, is going to be prepaid cards and code. So go over to the purchase methods after you click on Riot Points and then select prepaid cards and code. Now you are free to input the gift card that you have. Input the number here. If you have a prepaid card, Riot pin, or other code, please enter the code below and press submit. So it's as simple as entering it here, choosing submit, and you will get the corresponding amount in Riot points. So you can usually tell either by the price displayed here or the amount at the back. Just scratch off the code, make sure that it was properly activated on the counter, and submit it through this page. Immediately upon doing so, you will receive your Riot points instantly. So there is no wait period. As soon as you enter the code here, it will be redeemed into your Valorant account. You should be able to do the exact thing with all the Riot games. So League of Legends, for example, you just go into the purchase methods available in that game and you find prepaid cards and codes. It doesn't matter the amount or which specific model of card you have, as long as you scratch off the code, you go into the option to purchase Riot points, and you select that as the payment method, you will be able to have it redeemed into your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Riot Point gift card in Valorant. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.